Okay, here's the plan. I'm going to burn on this side only and watch the charcoal get bright white, and it will merge or follow the circle pattern all the way around, and it'll end right there. And I'll put the chicken on top of the grill, and hopefully it'll be a low temperature and cook the chicken thoroughly. That's the plan. Just like that. Here comes the chicken. Checking in on my chicken. Oh, that's gonna turn out awesome. Slow cooking my chicken. All right, I'm checking in on my chicken. Still 200 degrees. Here we go. Look at those coals, they're beautiful. Nice and white. They're gonna move around that corner there, over there, down over here. In about 2 hours, that chicken's gonna be perfect. 200 degrees, 2 to 3 hours. Slow cooking, barbecue chicken.